Welcome back to Peach State Politics. I'm Stephen Fowler, your GPB Education Capital correspondent. Each week during the legislative session, I will answer questions you have about how our state government works. This week, the question is from Ms. Prosser's 8th grade class in Noonan. They ask, what does the Doorkeeper do in the Senate and the House? And this week, I decided I would ask the one person who knows best, Ms. Pat Hinote, the House Doorkeeper.
Well, I would like to say the doorkeeper position is a very important position. We have to make sure that no one comes into the chamber that is not properly identified. This badge that I have on, if you can see right here, tells my name, and it also has the seal of Georgia. And we watch for things like that. The media can come in with proper identification. We make sure that the house is in order, that there's no disturbances that would cause disruption in the chamber in the process of making the laws. So I hope that this has answered some of your questions. Most of us are elderly people that have been retired from other jobs. So it's a perfect job for us as we are retired and have not anything daily to do. So 40 days is when we work, and we're here for every single session day.
Thank you. And remember, each week, if you have a question about how state government works, you can send it online at gpb.org/PSP. Until next time, I'm Stephen Fowler.